Did you know that one common habit after 8 p.m. can seriously harm your sleep and even your brain health? If you're over 60, keep watching. See, as we get older, maintaining a good sleep pattern becomes even more important. But there's something many of us do after 8 p.m. that could be making it harder to get the rest we need. And no, it's not just about how late you stay up. It's actually what you do before going to bed. Many people over 60 make the mistake of checking their phone, watching TV, or even working late into the evening. But here's the thing. This overstimulation is a sleep killer. That screen time right before bed affects your brain in ways you might not realize. It messes with your melatonin levels, the hormone responsible for helping you fall asleep. And if you're not getting enough sleep, your brain can't perform at its best the next day. It leads to forgetfulness, lack of focus, and overall cognitive decline. When your melatonin levels are out of whack, your circadian rhythm gets disturbed. This means you might have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, leaving you tired and groggy the next day. Ever heard of pineal XT? It's a natural supplement that supports your pineal gland, the part of your brain responsible for melatonin production. Many people use it to help restore their sleep patterns and improve overall brain function. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Avoid overexposure to screens after 8 p.m. and consider giving your brain the boost it needs with Pineal XT. Thousands of people over 60 have noticed a difference, and you can too. Curious about how it works? Check out the pinned comment for more details on Pineal XT and see why so many are calling it a game changer. Remember, your brain and sleep are precious. Start taking care of them tonight. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to live healthier and smarter at any age.